If you're a digital marketing agency or you want to start one, I have a hot tip for you here that's going to have you stand out head and shoulders above your competitors. And it's one simple trick. I use GoHighLevel to build my websites and my funnels. Not only does GoHighLevel build beautiful websites, but it offers tools that just catapult the visibility and the reputations of local businesses. And you just have to explore it. Take my word for it. Drop a link or a comment down below. I'll hook you up with my free course on how to run and set up your GoHighLevel agency account. I'll hop on a one-on-one Zoom call with you. Make sure you get 100% set up properly right from the get-go to just get rid of all the confusion, have you cross over all the hurdles, and get you on the back end of earning money in no time. So having said that, you need to be able to impress your clients with your ability to build these websites and funnels with custom fonts. Oftentimes, a client will have a font that they want to use, and when you go into the GoHighLevel builder, that font's just not available. So I want to hook you up with a working solution to downloading a super cool font and then deploying it into your custom fonts on a GoHighLevel website or funnel. So let's hop on my computer here. I'll show you exactly how to do this in the simplest and most effective working manner. All right, so as you can see here, this client of mine has this really cool, it's called Army Rifle logo. And then he uses it throughout his website here. You can see that this is a custom font. And so I needed to replicate that inside of a funnel. And since the GoHighLevel builder doesn't offer this particular font, I need to find it on the internet, download it. I'm going to get it in .ttf format, but I'm going to convert it, as you'll see, because GoHighLevel doesn't play well with TrueType .ttf fonts. It wants it in the WOFF2 format. So I'm going to show you how to find this font. I'm going to show you how to download it, how to convert it, and then how to upload it and use it within your funnels. All right, so we've already determined that the name of the font is called Armalite Rifle. So I'm just going to come in here at defont.com and I'm going to type in Armalite and I'll search, and here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. And then, of course, it's going to be a zip file, so I'll unzip it. But as I said, GoHighLevel doesn't play well with a TrueType font, so we're going to need to convert this font so that HighLevel can use it easily into a WOFF2 file. So we're going to head on over to this Cloud Convert site. It's called cloudconvert.com, and we're just going to convert the TTF file. We'll go here to Font and choose TTF, and we're going to convert that to the WOFF2, which is here. All right, so I'm just going to click on Select File, and there's my Armalite TrueType font. I'm going to double click that to select it, and I'm going to click Convert. This will just take 1 second to convert, and then once it does, I'm simply going to download that file. Now, logic would have it that you would just be able to go to media storage and upload that file to your files, right? But again, we said we don't want to use Armalite. Let's go to our downloads, and we're going to choose this WOFF2 file. You're going to see it says file type not allowed. It doesn't want to take fonts in the media storage asset area. So there's a cool little workaround that we can do here. So what a lot of YouTube videos here others are showing to do is to go into memberships and then create a new product, which I've done here. And when you create that new product, you're just going to leave it as a blank post. They're telling you to attach the file, which I've done here, and then to preview this, and then to copy the path to the link. But neither Safari nor Chrome offer this option anymore. You can see that when I right-click on this, it just says copy link to highlight. It doesn't say copy link to file. So this does not work anymore. But there's a great workaround that I found for it, and I want to show it to you here. All you need to do is go to cloudinary.com, sign up for a free account, okay? 100% free. They don't try to upsell you anything. Just go, log in, verify your email address, create a free account. And then once you're in, you'll have your own personal dashboard here. and we're going to go to Assets. And the first thing you're going to do is click on Folders, and then you can click here to add a new folder. I've already added one called Fonts, so just click here, type in Fonts, and then you'll have a Fonts folder. And then when you go to it, you're going to upload a file, just like this. You browse for it, and then there's your WAF2 file. So just select that and upload it. And then once that's done, you'll see that you have this. All right. Now, there is special code that we're going to use before we copy the URL. As you can see, when we mouse over here, we can get the URL for this particular font. We're going to first copy this CSS code that I'm providing for you down here in the description. You can just copy and paste it. And then we're going to come back and grab this URL. So let me show you the CSS code first. So we've got @fontface. The font name, you can name this anything you want. In my case, I'm going to call this Armalite. And then we're going to grab this URL, which I've already posted here. You can see from my Cloudinary account. I'm going to show you to grab that. Let's just take that out for now. Format is WAF2. And then this is the custom CSS class font. And it says font name. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this Armalite and put this back in font name. And then font weight is normal. Font style is normal. And all I need to do is go back and get the URL for this. So I'll come back to my Cloudinary account here, and I'm going to click on this code here. You see it says copied. And now I'll just return back to my file and paste that in there. And so this is already good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead. In fact, instead of font, I'm going to call this Army. All right. So this can be anything you want. You just want to make sure that you're going to name it appropriately in your GoHighLevel custom class CSS, which I'll show you shortly. So we're just going to copy that complete thing now, and then we're going to paste it into our custom CSS, which is right here. When you're in your funnel, you'll see it says custom CSS. We're just going to pop it right in there, and then you're going to save. And now you'll see when you come down to your text element here, any text element, let's just do this to a new one. You'll see here it says popular lessons. I'm just going to click on that headline element. I'm going to click on advanced. And then remember, I named that Army. I'm just going to type in right here, ARMY, and hit enter. And look how it immediately changes that with the custom class of Army. So that's just how simple it is to get custom fonts into GoHighLevel. Here again with our team, I'll do the same thing. I'll highlight that. I'll click on advanced, and I'm going to come down here and type in Army. Now it won't show up until you hit enter, but as soon as you hit enter, then you're good to go. And of course you can come in here and change the size of it, reduce the size of it. It'll behave like any other text. So that's a super cool way to bring custom fonts into the GoHighLevel website builder and funnel builder. It just transforms your ability to really over-deliver for your client. And they'll be super impressed when they see that you're able to do this, and other funnel builders, other website builders don't know how. Now you do. So if you got value out of this video, please just drop a comment, like, subscribe. And remember, if you sign up for GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, I'm going to give you all my courses, all my scripts. I do a ton of cold calling. I bring in clients like clockwork. I'm going to show you exactly how to set everything up. I'm going to hop on one-on-one Zoom calls with you, and I'm going to get you over the hurdles, the challenges that typically present themselves to aspiring digital marketers. And I'm going to get you to the front of the line, just like cuts, quickly and without frustration. So glad you're here. Thank you for watching my video, and continue to excel.